Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the updated process of sending stickers to a group on Instagram. Stickers add a fun and interactive element to your conversations, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from your device's app store. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. This icon resembles a paper airplane and is your gateway to direct messaging. Tap on it to open your messages. Now, you'll see a list of your conversations. Open the group chat where you want to send the sticker. If you don't have a group chat yet, you can create one by selecting multiple friends and starting a new conversation. Once you're in the group chat, look for the sticker icon at the bottom of the message box. It typically looks like a smiley face or a square with a folded corner. Tap on this icon to reveal a variety of stickers available for use. From here, choose sticker from the options presented. You'll find an array of fun stickers to select from, ranging from emojis to themed graphics. Scroll through and pick one that fits the mood or theme of your conversation. Finally, to send the sticker, simply click on it. This action will immediately share it with everyone in the group chat. They'll see it pop up in real time, adding a lively touch to your conversation. And that's it. Sending stickers in group chats on Instagram is quick and easy. Whether you're sharing laughs or expressing emotions, stickers are a great way to enhance your messaging experience. Be sure to explore different stickers and use them creatively in your chats. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Instagram effectively.